Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best programmers chairs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is BestOffice Chair Ergonomic Cheap Desk Chair. This mesh office/computer chair is built for long-lasting comfort. And easily adjusted for height, the locking mechanism keeps the back upright and relieves the stress and pain brought on by other office chairs. Designed with human-oriented ergonomic construction, users have full mobility whether you're gaming, working on the computer, or meeting in the office. These chairs pass all components of the BIFMA certification, and are a reliable and sturdy option for users weighing up to 250 pounds. This chair comes ready to assemble, with all the hardware and necessary tools. With step-by-step instructions, you'll be set up and ready to play. Take on the office in about 10 to 15 minutes. This mesh task chair provides exceptional support to the hard-working professionals in your office. The office chair transparent mesh across the back allows air to circulate. Adjustable chairs raise and lower the seat using the adjustment lever, conveniently located under the seat. And these ergonomic chair padded armrests take pressure off your shoulders and neck as needed. Fitted with 5 hooded dual caster wheels, give yourself the ability to easily glide over carpeted floors while naturally performing tasks without exertion. This office mesh desk task chair keeps you cool no matter how high the pressure gets. Number 2. Our second best pick is NOUHAUS Ergonomic Office Chair. With its 4D adjustable armrest and lumbar system, elastomesh, 135-degree back tilt, smooth hydrolift, dual casters, and a set of hardwood floor blade casters, it's easy to think this is from the future, but instead it's evolved ergo seating at its finest, and it's here now. Mesh headrest adjusts up and down while the 4D adjust arms go forwards, back, up, down, side to side, and rotate for the best fit to your body. 3D lumbar support hugs your back, while the seat glides up and down for the ultimate and customized comfort in the office, or in front of your game. It provides optimal airflow to avoid sweating and sticking. But it's also smooth, and nothing like sitting on wire like many of the chairs you'll see today. And while it's good to take regular breaks, this is so comfy you'll forget you're even working. Its 5-point base with dual casters gives greater stability and strength over common 4-point, single castor chairs. And our strong iron base makes this heavy-duty office chair ideal for adults up to 275 pounds. We also give a set of blade wheels, smooth as silk on hardwood. Settle back, because you have up to 135 degrees of tilt to keep you in the perfect position for your next task, or to simply lounge back and admire how smart you are for finding such a remarkable ergonomic chair. Try this one and feel the difference it makes to your life. Number 3. Our third best pick is SIHOO Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair. This ergonomic chair with adjustable headrest can make neck tilt easily and comfortably, adjustable lumbar support bracket for free adjustment of height depth, 3D adjustable armrest for different office applications, 90 degrees 126 degrees arbitrary backrest adjustment for multiple work positions, any switch 10 cm lift, 360 degrees freedom to rotate freely 3D handrail. This ergonomic office chair is recommended by the Ergonomics Application Association. SIHOO's ergonomic design is based on the human body dynamic digital model. The ridge backrest and the human spine are exactly the same. The close fitting helps release the spinal pressure. The flow waterfall arc seating design thigh support is comfortable. SIHOO will make you more comfortable. This home office desk chair aluminum base is stable and durable, bearing quality is good. Silent casters move freely without noise. Double back frame design, stable and durable. This is the crystallization of the common wisdom of many professionals in the human body. Physiologists, product designers, mechanical engineers do their best to make every step comfortable and safe for every customer. Every small part has strict safety quality testing. Cushion impact test, handrail fatigue test, chair foot static pressure test, in line with the strict standards of office chair. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hbada Ergonomic Office Chair. This office chair features ergonomic human curve design backrest and headrest, which creates total spinal support, so that the chair moves with postures to hold the spine perfectly and ease pressure and pain on the back for everyday use. Ergonomic mesh back allows air, body heat and water vapor to pass through, keeping away the buildup of heat and humidity close to the body. And this chair also offers an upgraded big ergonomic and adjustable seat with comfortable foam padding. Based on structural mechanics principles, this minimalism-style chair is well built and sure is a compelling seating choice that refreshes your office with its modern and fashion sense. Heavy-duty steel base SGS certificated gas lift cylinder and tilt mechanism provides sturdy and stable sitting experience. Synchronized tilt mechanism provides smooth, effortless recliner and enables personalized fit, lock at any angle between 90–150 degree, which makes it a perfect office partner. Back straighten up for work mode and full reclining for rest mode. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Dowinx Ergonomic Computer Chair. The cushion is built by 16 pocket coils and styling sponge, creating the same elasticity and comfort as a sofa. Springs can better evenly distribute the pressure on the seat cushion, thereby increasing ride comfort. Not only did we flatten the sides of the seat cushion, but it also widened the backrest and seat by 3 inches and 5 inches, respectively, reducing the pressure on the thighs and back of the chair. The lumbar support with massage function can further relax your body and mind. According to market feedback, it purposely upgraded the T-back bar to steel plate, adding 100 pounds of shock load, and the gaming desk chair also adopts a heavy-duty base. Whether teens or adults can use our chairs with confidence. Users can recline steplessly up the backrest to 135 degrees. It can be used for gaming, working and relaxing. The waist cushion and headrest can help users relieve the burden on the waist and neck when sitting for a long time. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.